Setting up the lock screen on your Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can set up lock screen on the Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the settings in your mobile device. Under settings, scroll down a bit and then tap on display. Now under your display settings, there is an option for lock screen. Tap on it. So here under lock screen, you have various of settings that you can change. The first one is privacy. If you tap on it, here you get various options in order to control your notifications on the lock screen. If you want to hide your notifications on lock screen, then select the last option. If you want to show all of your notifications, then select the first option. But if you only want some sensitive content, then select the second option. So according to your preferences, you can choose one from here. The second option is to add text on your lock screen. Tap on it and here you can add any text that you want to show on your lock screen, then tap on save. Under that, there you have various options where if you want to show controls for external devices from the lock screen or not. If yes, turn on the toggle. Also scroll down a bit. Here you have an option for double line clock. If you want to show the double line clock on your lock screen, then make sure to turn on this toggle. If not, you can leave it turned off. Under that, also there is an option for double click on the lock screen. So if you double click on your lock screen, the screen will automatically turn off and turn on. So if you want that feature, simply turn on the toggle here. So there are various other options that you can check for. If you want to wake your screen for notifications, there is also options to turn it on. If you want it, then simply turn it on. Also, if you want to leave to check your phone feature to turn on, then you can turn on right here. So to check your time, to check notifications and other information, all you have to do is simply pick up your phone. So for that, make sure to turn on this toggle. So in this way, you can set up your lock screen in your Realme device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.